don't know, guys. Things are heating up for the top 10. April showers bring May flowers. Picking his top 10 sneakers of the year gonna be hard. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. And today I'm back in 4K with the Nike SB Aprils. Sneakers hard, man. Definitely better than advertised. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I thought these was my turbo greens. Now I don't even know where my turbo. Back to the video, man. We seen this kind of rendition of this material, the wash brush denim look. We also did get the Jordan 1s in this color, turbo green. I had them. I thought these was them, man. But these are the Jordan 1 Game Royal Blue Royal. But the material is what we looking at, guys. As you can see, we did get this material before. But the April Skate Shop didn't just give us that material, man. The metallic swoosh, the metallic Nike logo. This is dope, man. I mean, I still got these a little ahead of the other SBs. But you can make a case for the Aprils, man. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we get the chrome and white Nike SB box. Between this one and the purple one that's been coming this year, the sneakers that's been coming in this box has been better. I like the candy corn joints. A little out the way, but I like the candy corn joints. And I think one of the Run the Jewel joints came in a purple one. So the chrome and white one's been winning. Very settled box, but I like it. Nike SB all over, chrome and white. And it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Racer Blue Metallic Silver. So that color is called Racer Blue in this sneaker, not Turbo Green. And I'll tell you why at the end of the video. When you unbox or open the box, you do get a little stamp here. Get that stamp to show. Boom. And then you just get the regular SB tissue paper. And I was going to say, did this one come with a sticker? That's been the new thing. Nike SB done turned into Supreme on us. Yes, you do get that glow-in-the-dark sticker. The first time I seen this was the candy corn joints. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low Pro SB April. And looks just like the turbo green Jordan 1s cut low to me. But when you add this metallic silver and you add these this mesh white, it takes it to a different level. So let's start with the toe box, because this is something that people are not talking about. This leather is firm, just like the Born and Raised joints. Soft butter leather, guys. Butter. When I say butter, I mean soft. It feels like nubuck suede is so soft. Around that, you got that brushed denim, turbo green, but they calling it Racer Blue, which I like. And the reason it's called Racer Blue is because the April Skate Shop wanted a sneaker that stands out and shows all the velocity and all the speed that's going on the skateboarding ramps and stuff. So that's why they went with the Racer Blue look. But I like it, man. Looks hard to tear off, man. It's perfect for a skateboarder, but you know, I like to rock it for style. But perfect for a skateboarder, guys. Creep in where we usually have that sandwich white leather on the back and we're looking for the tumbleness like shattered backboard. It's not there. You get more of a mesh basketball net look, and I like it. They killed this. Because it's not your regular netting where it's like loose, big netted holes. It's a lot of them in there, man, all together. And y'all see that swoosh, man. Born and raised swoosh is dope, man, but oh, this swoosh is alright, man. I wish it was a little bigger, but I like it, man. Straight mirror. Remind me of the mirror foam posits from back in the day with the bad quality. This one, hopefully a little better. Hard plastic mirror look. There you go. You got the April logo or name there, and it looks just like when you see April inside a calendar to me. On top of that turbo green / racer blue again. When you get to the back of the sneaker, y'all know this is my favorite branding. And they changed it up, and I still like it. The Nike's also in that metallic silver, guys. Very dope. Pushed up off the sneaker. The mesh comes back in, then your racer blue comes back in. The inside swoosh to me looks a little smaller, but it's the same size, but still has that same shine also. You also get the mesh in the inside again too. The bottom, you got, you know, your regular Nike Dunk Low, but you get a translucent clear bottom that looks like it can glow if it wants to. It's giving you like purple vibes or light blue vibes, but it's just transparent. Now the bottom of the shoe, you get a dope rose, man. I like this rose flower look, man. It just made this color pop more at the bottom. This little blue with this little darker rose, same color but a little darker than the middle part. It just makes the sneaker pop, man. This and the Born and Raised are going to battle for sneaker of the year. Well, definitely SB of the year. The inside is orange, so you do get a different color, but that is the inside. It reads Nike SB, and it has something else. Oh, it's another stem to the rose, and it reads April. And like that classic Prince look, like that Prince font from back in the day, 70s rock, 80s rock, if you will. That's a dope look also. Of course, you get your fat Nike SB tongue with that same mesh material on the front. The back material, I mean, design looks different. Looks more like a nav graph on the back. But the front, you get the mesh look, and it looks like the mesh is covered in like some plastic material. It definitely is, because you can feel it. And then the logo there in that metallic silver, Nike SB Dunk Pro. Dope, man. They could have added some more racer blue here, but that metallic hit right there is dope to me. That was the right. This is the left. As you can see, the April logo changed on here. So on the right side, you got the Nike logo, SB logo. On the left side, you got the April look. Just like some Armand Ye would do in Travis Scott, but I really like that. More on the left. Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. You still get the April logos on both. Now, you probably can't tell, it's different shoelaces. They're both white, so it's kind of hard. I wish we got some racer blue shoelaces, but I really think that's a lace swap that someone should do on YouTube. That's a dope look. So if you're into lace swaps, hit me the video, put it under the comment section below, because I feel like it's too much white. But the ones that come in the sneaker are white, and they look just like these ones that's tied up in here. I'm trying to like figure a difference. But you do get two metallic tips on both. They don't read anything, but they're metallic, and it's a definitely dope look for them to be metallic, because you got the swoosh that's metallic. But the ones that come inside, I don't know. They look the same. But I could tell you the shoelaces is also bleeding. That blue is definitely bleeding on the shoelaces, guys. So note that if you're trying to cop third party. It just happens. Like when you wear blue jeans on white ups, white Air Force Ones, it happens. Let me know in the comment section below if today, right now, as soon as you've seen this video, which one would you go with for SB of the year? We ain't gonna talk about all sneakers, just SBs. Which one would you go with today, right now, without thinking it? Just type it at the bottom of the screen, man. Me personally, I'm still going Born and Raised, but I want to know your opinion. Yes, sir. So, like I said, we seen this material before on a Jordan 1, But the April skateboarding people, man, they did their thing with this one. They added some more flair to something we already seen. But this is a dope shoe, man. Resale right now, I checked GOAT, I checked StockX. StockX was like at $350, depending on your size, to like $4 something. And GOAT was around the same about $350 to $4 something, depending on your size. This sneaker will go up, guys. Once more people see it in hand, the price will go up. You gotta remember, this is another SB that didn't drop on the sneakers app. So it's there, man. It's there. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. My top 10 sneakers, I'm going to do it closer to Christmas, man, because we still got Powerpuff Girls, and I want to see the Soulfly 8s in hand, to be honest, before I write those off. The Gratitudes dropped. I gave you that review weeks ago. Check that out in the archives. Like something, subscribe, help your boy out, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.